fourscore and many years ago.
Fourscore a deal with you.
Oh, yeah. Massive deal.
Who's your founding father?
Get a rear view camera.
I see you, baby.
Bluetooth. Talking about the red, white, and blue.
Great deals and features come standard on our most popular Honda models. The President's Day sales event, happening now at your Honda dealer.
The following is a paid program. The opinions and views expressed do not reflect those of the sacred channel or its employees.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Everybody loves traveling across the country, but not the high cost and long journey that come with it. Hi, Billy Mays here, and don't I have the product for you? From the creators of OxyClean and other fine products, they bring you the Transcontinental Railroad. The Transcontinental Railroad is 3,500 miles long, and 2,000 of those miles were added when work started in 1863. That means it's over an outstanding 5,500 feet long.
During the 1800s, many people traveled by horse and buggy, making travel long, hard, and often dangerous. There were many railroads during this time. However, there was not a railway that connected the Pacific Ocean to the...
Some testimonials from some of our satisfied customers.
The Transcontinental Railroad really saved me money. A cost of $1,000 to $150, a whopping 85% in savings.
Pizza, I was promised pizza.
Just read the lines.
I'm not rolling, right? The sign did say I get money. Where's my money?
Order in the next 2 hours and get 50% off on your first ticket on the Transcontinental Railroad. No one wants to miss the carriage again and again. With the beginning of the construction of the Transcontinental Railroad in 1863 in Ohio, thanks to these four fine gentlemen: Leland Stratford, Collis P. Huntington, Charles Crocker, and Mark Hopkins. And the use of many, many Chinese immigrant workers, the problem is now a thing of the past.
Call 1-800-HELPME 1-800-435-763. So order in the next 2 hours and you'll get not one, but 2 tickets in the prepaid telegraph for free.
Here I am in person at one of the stops of the Transcontinental Railroad. There are 2 of our satisfied customers over there.
You owe us money, don't you?